Hi everybody! How are you today? I have some little 4-inch rounds that I'm going to do some blown flowers on. Just putting the white on right now. Just getting them all covered. And make some cute little flowers out of them. First I need to get the air bubbles out. And I have a phthalo blue. I have a quinacridone magenta. And I have a medium yellow. And I have my straw. Start out with this one right here. Put a small puddle in the middle. The blue. A few drops of the magenta. And then a tiny bit of the yellow. Little bit of yellow goes a long ways. So, okay. Add a little torch. Oh, they're so pretty. Check that out. Oops, I'm dripping onto my others. There's one of them. See, I dripped right there. That's okay. We will just work with it. Not a big deal. And see how I only put one drop of yellow on that one, how far it went? Do it again. Okay. Okay, that one didn't want to stay up on its stand for me. And I've got a little tiny bug in here. Make him go away. Another cool one. Nice little cells in it. Look at that one. Very cool. Got the bug. Alright, I'm going to do one more here. Ah, pretty! I love doing these. I have big hibiscus blooming in my yard right now, and they're just absolutely gorgeous. There we go, guys. Thanks for coming and visiting with me. Making some little coasters. Might put these on a board or something and make a collage out of them, or I might resin them just for coasters. But it was fun. Thanks again. Bye.